Good afternoon and good evening. Thanks for joining NetApp's Kubernetes Day. I'm Josh Moore. I'm Principal Technologist for Cloud Analytics here at NetApp. So what does that mean? Well, I get the opportunity to talk to and listen to people just like you across the whole industry. And some really common feedback I hear is, hey Josh, we have lots of great tools to manage Kubernetes. Similarly, we have tons of great tools to manage storage and compute infrastructure. But why, oh why, is it so difficult to connect the dots between them? Just the other day, I heard from a team that thought they had broken free of Excel-based capacity management years ago. Yet, here they are once again back to using spreadsheets to try to map persistent volume claims back to the back-end infrastructure, just for the sake of even basic showback reporting. Today, that all changes. So, throughout the events today, you've seen how you can deploy and scale and manage containerized apps more efficiently with Astra, and how Ocean's automated actions make them as cost-effective as they possibly can be. Well, NetApp's Cloud Insights service is the observability layer that holds it all together. So, when it comes to managing Kubernetes, as you would expect, we collect the full spectrum of metrics. So Kubernetes experts can deep dive performance or configuration concerns. And with an open API, this wealth of metrics is on hand and can be leveraged elsewhere throughout engineer and admin workflows. But we also have some tricks up our sleeve when it comes to managing the topology with our Cluster Explorer that makes it a lot easier for those that aren't Kubernetes experts to understand just what's going on in your clusters. On the other hand, when it comes to managing storage and compute, again, we collect hundreds of metrics from dozens of different platforms and vendors, not just NetApp, and in your data centers or in any number of public cloud providers, and automatically build topologies that let you more effectively control performance and utilization. This lets you maximize the value of the infrastructure you have already provisioned before you consider opening your wallet to provision some more. So we cover both sides of the spectrum. But when a service can bring these two worlds together in the same connected views and let you correlate container-based performance and utilization with contention and capacity thresholds in your infrastructure, it's absolutely more than the sum of its parts. This is exactly what I hear users asking for and exactly what Cloud Insights does. What's more, I think a deep understanding of your environment should be democratized. So the tooling out there for the Kubernetes specialist can have a little bit of a reputation for having a pretty steep learning curve when it comes to everyone else. So Kubernetes rock stars need only apply, right? So with Cloud Insights, we've taken great steps to make sure that everyone in your organization can understand exactly how your environments are put together. What you see here is a simple connect the dots approach to identifying issues in Kubernetes with our Cluster Explorer. This lets anyone, regardless of prior Kubernetes expertise and experience, pinpoint just where things are going wrong. Maybe they're not the ones that are going to go fix the issue, but at least they can find it. And more often than not, that tends to be what burns the most time when it comes to either restoring outages or addressing performance issues. And when the teams managing your infrastructure appreciate how their resources are being used by the applications on top of it, and when the teams that own the applications can understand how the infrastructure is being used and where, you would be amazed at how many things just click into place. So, with the capabilities and Cloud Insights I've talked about here, not to mention the ransomware detection and prevention features that are also part of the service, along with the abilities of both Ocean and Astra, what you have is a real 360-degree coverage of performance, utilization, cost, and security of your modern platforms, whether you're born in the cloud or just getting started. But I don't expect anyone to take my word for it. Because it's SaaS, it's quick and easy to get started in your own environment and see for yourself. So go ahead and navigate over to cloud.netapp.com, check out the demo, and sign up for a free trial today. Why not? So I hope you're stoked about NetApp's new Kubernetes capabilities as much as we are. There's lots more planned for the day, so be sure to stick around and jump into the conversation yourself on our social media channels. Bye for now.